Henry, what are you doing? I have been trying to solve this physics problem for the last half hour, and I still have no idea how to do it. When do you have to turn it in? It is due at the end of this week. Well, it is only Monday. Why don't you get some after-school tutoring tomorrow? I have to sign up for it first. I guess I will go sign up for the Wednesday session tomorrow. You should reread the chapter before you show up for the session. It will help you understand the subject matter better. Okay, I will do that. Now that your problem is solved, I need you to lend me a hand with my problem. What is up? I need to build a new dollhouse for Nancy. I was putting her dollhouse away, and somehow I accidentally dropped it. It was broken into pieces. How clumsy of you. Does she know? I told her about it. I could not lie to her. How did she take it? My sister really liked the dollhouse, and obviously she was not very happy. But I told her that I would build a better one for her. So, I need your help. Me? Help you? I have never built anything in my life. Me neither. But, don't worry. Putting together pieces of wood is not going to be difficult. It is more than just putting pieces of wood together. You need to put in windows and doors. Have you thought about how you would do that? Who says houses need to have windows and doors? So, you are going to build a dollhouse with no windows and no doors? Yes, I do not see anything wrong with that. Do you? No. It makes the project easier to handle now. But, are you sure that Nancy will not mind having a dollhouse with no doors and no windows? Yes, I am sure. Are you sure that Nancy will find this dollhouse with no doors and no windows prettier than the one you broke? No, I am not sure. Why do you have to make things so complicated? I am not trying to complicate things. You did tell Nancy that the new dollhouse would be better than the one you broke. I just want to remind you of your promise. Ah, I wish I have not touched her dollhouse. What should I do then? Get help from somebody who knows how to build a dollhouse. I would not be of any help to you in this project. Who do you suggest I ask? Mr. Brown used to be a carpenter. He will be glad to help you out. Why don't you give him a call, and see whether he has some free time? You are right. It will take us forever to build this dollhouse. With Mr. Brown's help, I can finish it in no time. Okay, now that your problem is solved, can you help me trim the trees in the backyard? Who? Me? Trim the trees in your backyard? It will take us ages to trim those trees. Let's see who is good at trimming trees. Ah, you can ask Mr. Brown. He is also good at trimming trees. And, when you ask for his help, please ask him to help me build a dollhouse also. Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.